What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm about to go meet up with the homies. We're probably gonna do a little quick impromptu photo shoot. I'm definitely gonna throw everybody's Instagram handles in the description below, so definitely check them out. One of my homies, he's a photographer, just posted that he's trying to get out and get some clients for some photos. So figure we go ahead and support the homie and start as one of the early clients. And yeah, so definitely take a look at the photos. I'm probably gonna take some too while we're there, but yeah, I still need to get my editing game up when it comes to photos. I don't really do too many photos, but yeah, we'll definitely get into that once we get there. But yeah, I'm not sure how many people are gonna be there. Might be 3 or 4 of us, maybe more, because we got a lot of maybes, so we'll see. But I'm about to head there now. Alright, so I'm just getting here, meeting up with the homie. Definitely gonna throw his Instagram link in the description as well. But yeah, if I got black, this is basically what I would go for. Like, and then he got the big brake head. I keep on those. Like, that was crazy. Look at that. It's crazy. And that's the official stilling. He had like 4 different front splitters, but he finally went with the stilling one. Yo, that is crazy. Look at that. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Sitting on 20 by 10.5 in the rear. I'm not sure about the front. They might be the same. But yeah, definitely let me know what you think. We do have another homie, Franz. He's gonna be showing up here soon. So once he gets here and a photographer gets here, we're gonna go to another location and we'll go from there. Alright, so Franz just showed up. Of course, we heard him before we saw him. But yeah, take a quick look. So you see that new? What's up? Yeah. Those hearts looking great. Yeah. Straight pipe with the resonator delete. They both sound pretty loud. So that second time I can't tell who that was. Okay, so I actually failed because I forgot to record at the last location. But yeah, this is the second spot. Well, technically the third spot, but yeah, we're just kind of getting lined up for more photos. So yeah, I'm gonna throw everybody's link to Instagram in the description below, and you'll definitely be able to check out the photos that we're taking as well. By everybody getting lined up.
Shout out to my boy Franz and the homie photographer out here in Orlando, downtown Orlando, doing our thing out here with the Altimas. Different styles, different flavors. Check them out, man. Check them out.
And he has a channel coming soon too.
Yeah. Hey.
You got a name for it yet?
Nah. I almost came up with it, but it went blank.
Okay, no problem. But once we got it, I'll definitely shout you out. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little dope little spot. Don't know where we are downtown. That's it.
I thought about those.
But yeah, it looks very sick. Try to get a little closer without getting in the way. But yeah, look at the rear. See, come on. Like it's tucking. Crazy. Alright. It's in there.
It's in there. That's what back look like.
Right. And he is static. That angle will do that to you though. So we try and get some good rollers, but this traffic has been crazy. It was a cop right there. But yeah, let's see how this turns out. Yeah, we had quite a few people in the way, but yeah, they should be dope. These roads are a little rough, but I mean, it is what it is. Trying to keep it steady. Alright, so I did catch up. We got some pretty good shots, or what it seemed like we did. But yeah, I think we're about to switch so we can get some shots for Franz. Alright, so going over there. Alright, so I already got mine, so now it's Franz's turn. Pretty good. Man, we ain't got that much traffic. Ain't nobody behind us really. Got a couple people in the right lane, but that's about it. And they much further back. So, see the speed limit. So, it's not bad at all. Alright, yeah, as you can see, we had a pretty good time. It was just 3 Altima owners. Homie Tito, photographer, he has a Sentra. He's in the shop right now. So hopefully we can get a full Nissan Infiniti meet. We're going to do one that's like all Altimas. We're going to do that pretty soon. It's supposed to be one coming up in June in Georgia. We're gonna try to make it to that one, but it kind of depends on this pandemic. But yeah, we will be planning a lot more. As you can see, there's not many of us here, so we can still social distance responsibly. But yeah, we're here at Ace Cafe. This was the second location, but I didn't record the first time we were here. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. We're probably gonna chill for a little bit more. I think we're just about done with the photos. Looks like he's doing some more. I think he's gonna get some, basically some, just his little hearts and stuff like that, little details. But yeah, probably gonna just go get something to eat and call it a day. But don't forget, everybody's information is down below. My homie Tito does great photography work. Definitely check him out. Check out the pictures. I'm probably gonna post some on my Instagram, but I'm sure he's gonna post some as well. So definitely take a look at all of our Instagrams, since we'll be posting what we have done. And yeah, and if you're in the Central Florida area, definitely hit him up and get some photos done. There's rolling shots as well. So yeah, but yeah, that's it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, And as always, have a good one. Peace. Alright, so yeah, I figured I had to get this. So we are all just chilling at the gas station. And I am on this side because I don't need gas. Yeah. Got some decent lighting, so you know, probably gonna take some pictures too. But yeah, now the video is really over.